Another motor unboxing. This one's a little older, probably a 17, 18. It is a 250 Pro XS. Mr. Douglas Stanton here, one of our customers, purchased this a few years ago to put on one of his boats. Well, he decided to sell the boat, so he kept the motor. He bought a new boat. Well, used boat, but we're gonna go ahead and put this baby on there for him. Let's open her up. See what she looks like after 3 years of sitting in a box. Oh, she's got a pretty little bra on her. There she is. All right, since we got her unboxed, got the lid off, top cover off, I'm gonna put the old Mercury hook on it so we can lift it up with our hoist. There we go. We'll get the hoist over here and we'll start lifting her up. We're gonna unbolt it from the shipping board and I'm gonna let it hang there free. Get the box off, get everything detached from it and eliminate this. Next up, we're gonna throw in the hoist over here. Next step is we're going to take the side colls off and we're going to start hooking up all of our stuff over here. There's a support bracket for the steering arm. The reason why it's blue and gray in here is Sam just got done running a motor that was winterized last year heavily, and he just summarized it, made it nice and smoky in here. Hooking the main engine harness up. Line up. Going to hook up throttle and shift cables. I am going to install the oil lines to the engine. First, I'm going to pressure the tank and get some. There we go. I'm gonna hook up some fuel line here and then try to light her up. I'll make sure I got everything done. Basically, all that's left to do is I gotta hook up water pressure gauge, speedo lines, which are sitting right here. We'll pull it forward and run it, make sure the pumps shift right. And then after that, we'll clean off all the stuff, make it nice and pretty. Clean up back in here, clean up there, put it all together, and he can come pick it up and pay us a lot of money. We're gonna pull the boat forward, light her up and run it. Make sure she pumps water and shit. I'm just checking to make sure there's good oil in here. I didn't see anything to say add. Yeah, she's full. Just making sure there's no leaks, oil leaks, water leaks. Make sure I didn't pinch no lines when I put the side calls on. Just double checking everything, make sure it's all good. Good to go. Gotta clean it up, put the seat back in, wipe my fingerprints down, and you can come pick it up.